Right beneath your feet is a city that has existed for millions of years. Almost nobody ever gets to see what lies beneath until now. This isn't just a nest. It's a living city with millions of workers, each performing a job that keeps the colony alive. Just a few meters below the forest floor, these tunnels become the busiest roads in the colony. Every touch is a message. Without a single spoken word, chemical signals tell each ant exactly what it needs to know. To us, it looks like complete chaos, but every ant is following invisible chemical highways laid down by thousands of workers before it. Deep inside the colony lies its most carefully protected room. Every second, nurse ants clean, feed, and carefully move the next generation. These tiny white clusters may not look impressive now, but every worker, every soldier, and even the queen once began life exactly like this. Without constant care, the colony's future would simply disappear. This single chamber holds the future of an entire underground civilization. But another room lies ahead, one that reveals the colony's greatest secret. At first glance, it looks like a warehouse filled with leaves. But the leaves aren't dinner. They're raw material. Hidden inside this garden is the colony's real food. Nobody told you, leafcutter ants don't eat leaves. They farm fungus, and that's what feeds the entire colony. Just like human farmers, they weed, clean, and protect their crop from disease. Every garden is carefully maintained because the colony's survival depends on it. But deeper inside this underground city are chambers few creatures ever reach, where powerful soldiers stand guard, and one extraordinary ant rules them all. We've uncovered how this hidden city feeds itself. But beyond these gardens lie its most heavily guarded chambers, where giant soldiers defend a queen responsible for millions of lives. Join us in part 2 as we venture even deeper into the colony.